Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the fuel filler neck on a Ford F150. First, ensure your workspace is safe and well ventilated. Gather all your tools, such as a ratchet set, screwdrivers, and a new filler neck. Always disconnect the negative terminal of your truck's battery before starting any work to prevent accidental electrical shorts. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth repair process. Next, you'll need to gain access to the filler neck. Begin by removing the rear passenger side wheel and then the wheel well liner. This will expose the fuel filler neck assembly. Carefully disconnect the main fuel hose and any smaller vent hoses attached to the neck. Use a screwdriver or pliers to loosen the hose clamps that secure the fuel filler neck to the fuel tank. Now it's time for the removal and installation. Unbolt the old fuel filler neck from its mounting brackets on the truck's body. Carefully pull the old neck free, making sure no fuel spills. Take your new fuel filler neck and gently guide it into position, ensuring that all the mounting points and hose connections line up correctly. This step requires a steady hand to avoid damaging the new part. Finally, let's reassemble and test. Reconnect all the fuel lines and vent hoses to the new filler neck, ensuring they are snug and secure. Tighten all hose clamps and mounting bolts firmly. Replace the wheel well liner and the wheel. Reconnect the battery, then add a small amount of fuel and visually inspect for any leaks before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.